If you're one of those people that thinks AI only stands for artificial intelligence, then you're obviously a Steven Spielberg fan from 2001. Remember, it's now 2020. Now, AI definitely means artificial intelligence, but now we've got a new phrase, adaptive intelligence. And adaptive intelligence is what the product I'm reviewing today has in abundance. Now, I'm very excited about reviewing the device I'm doing today because we don't usually have this kind of stuff here. It's a device that we all have, use a lot, but never really think about. A refrigerator. It's also one of those things that seems to be pretty much the same. You know, a refrigerator has been around for years and years, and the technology in it seems to be the same. Innovation and refrigerators aren't words that are spoken in the same sentence much. What if they do? And it's tech that is added on with no real advantage. I mean, think about it. A refrigerator with a screen or a display on top of a refrigerator? Why? Now, till I was given a demo of the all-new refrigerator from Whirlpool. Now, this one is something else. I mean, imagine, हम लोग सब जो रेफ्रिजरेटर खरीदते हैं तो हमारे जो बाइंग क्राइटेरिया होते हैं ना वो बहुत ही सिंपल होते हैं क्योंकि वी थिंक ऑफ अ रेफ्रिजरेटर एज अ वेरी सिंपल डिवाइस. क्या होते हैं वो बाइंग क्राइटेरिया? ऐसा साइज़ होना चाहिए, दिस इज़ द राइट साइज़ फॉर मी, मेरे को उसके अंदर खाने का सामान रखना है, वो ठंडा रहना चाहिए, इट शुड एक्चुअली लास्ट फॉर अ फ्यू डेज. दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट, राइट? साइज़ एंड ठंडा करेगा, राइट? नहीं, रॉन्ग. क्योंकि वर्लपूल ने कुछ अलग सोचा. उन्होंने ऐड किया adaptive intelligence technology into its latest IntelliFresh Pro series of refrigerators. इसके अंदर आते हैं built in with multiple sensors. इसका मतलब है the refrigerator actually uses advanced IntelliSensors. इसके अंदर उन्होंने डाले हैं powerful microprocessors और advanced proprietary algorithms to keep our food fresh. Yes, all of this technology is actually built into a fridge. According to Whirlpool, इनकी जो line of refrigerators हैं वो बहुत intelligently study करते हैं आपके usage patterns of the household. हर household में कुछ अलग होता है ना way of using a fridge. Plus वो calculate करते हैं the changes in weather and the change in the ambient temperature of where they are actually placed. And then they adapt the cooling pattern accordingly. ये जो refrigerators हैं, they offer uniform 3D airflow technology. The air tower has vents and air boosters that ensure that the cold air doesn't directly hit the food that you store inside. This means your natural moisture inside your food is actually retained for much longer periods, for as long as 15 days more than other conventional refrigerators. और ये जो pattern learning IntelliSense cooling है, it also claims prevention of up to 99% bacterial growth, excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables, along with best-in-class vitamin preservation, plus up to 7 days of freshness and preservation of dairy products. That's pretty amazing, right? Now, the fact that it adapts to your household, your lifestyle, and also treats different products kept within the refrigerator differently is in itself quite amazing. I mean, ask people आपके घर में जो actually handle करते हैं matters of the kitchen, या speak to bachelors or single people who are actually forced to throw away many food products क्योंकि सही टाइम पे कंज्यूम करने का टाइम नहीं मिला या नहीं टाइम पे कंज्यूम किया एंड रखते रखते चीज़ें ख़राब हो गई बहुत जल्दी even inside a fridge. इसका जो AI है, it also consumes much lesser energy because it only cools when needed. It's not like an unintended leaky tap that also keeps leaking and goes on and on. This refrigerator adapts, and amongst its various other very cool features, ये एक bottom mount refrigerator भी है, so you don't need to bend all the way to get your everyday usage items. जो regular usage portion है वो top पे है. This also has variable temperature zones, so you can set zones for fresh fruit and vegetables separately, and for other items like dairy separately. This is the part that I really love about it because a refrigerator has so many things inside it. It also has a portable ice maker that you can directly use to serve ice too. Plus, the refrigerator looks very high-tech and futuristic. Look at the shots I'm showing you right now. This is a good-looking fridge. Comes with a very easy-to-use touch control panel on the outside, and the refrigerator comes in 2 sizes too. So which one works for you is the one you go for. Overall, this is the kind of innovation required in our everyday devices, something that dramatically improves the actual usage and also improves our lives, our daily lives. This isn't tech for the sake of tech. This is tech that improves every part of our lives. इस फ्रिज में हार्डवेयर जो has been very practically planned, and all that intelligent features are also true functional features that are working there on top. Now, so much of tech, what are the prices like? Well, they're actually very, very well priced, from about 39,000 to 47,000 rupees. Now I want you guys to tell me something very, very important. Should I actually feature more devices that are everyday technology? How did you like my take on a refrigerator that looks like it's working with Jarvis?